Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So for today I am, well, in a different place than I usually am. I'm not at home. I am actually self-isolating with my sister, so I'm at her house with her. And I've been here for almost 2 weeks now, so it's been fun. She has a 2-year-old, so it's been extra fun. For today's video, I decided that I'm going to do something fun. I was rummaging digging through my sister's closet, and I saw like this crushed velvet jumpsuit, and I was like, oh, I love it. Well, blue is my favorite color for one, and I can get into detail about that if I do like a tag video. Anyways, so I want to do maybe a blue eyeshadow look if possible. I have very little makeup with me. I did go and pick some up, but I mainly have these palettes. Of course, my Morphe palette. So for blue eyeshadows, I don't know what I have. I have some here. Some of these like dark deep blue. Those do have a blue, and I think I want to play with that one because that looks gorgeous. And I haven't actually really delved into this palette much before, so I think we'll go with this and see what we can create. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and also feel free to subscribe. And yeah, so please keep watching. Alright guys, so to begin, I just primed my eyes. I use the AOA White HD corrector concealer thing that they have. And I also just use a little bit of the Juvias concealer, because that's also a matte concealer, and I use that right above that, or close to my brow bone, just to help with the transition of fading out. And I am picking up the Afrique by Juvias palette. Do I want to put it on orange and then fade into blue? I'm gonna do the orange. Gonna do it. Again, I haven't tried anything other than this one shade here, Cameroon, so it'll be fun. With my blending brush, I'm going to pick up Dakar, and I'm going to begin by stamping it into my upper crease. And if you see this on my nose here, it is washable marker that I thought I could get off, but apparently it's not coming off. So next I'm taking just a slightly smaller tapered brush. This one I used actually in my last tutorial, so it's a little stained orange from my last makeup look, so feel free to check that out. And now I'm taking Aya, and this is the bright yellow shade, and I'm taking that right above the orange, stamping it above, doing like the 50-50 method. And then I am going to do small circular motions to blend that out. I'm going to take Dakar again and put that into the crease just to intensify the shade. Back and forth with the yellow shade and this orange to make it blend. Next, we are going to move on to adding in the blue now, and this is the part where I don't know exactly how to do it. In my mind, I think that the best bet is to clean off most of the lid, and then, because orange and blue don't really go together, they're kind of on the opposite ends of the color wheel, so you'll have to find this transition in between to make it work. Now with this more fluffy, dense, tapered brush, I am going to take Cote de l'Ivoire, and pack that onto the brush, and pack it right onto this lid. The pigment in this. So now I think I need to start this transition. Use Bintu. It's the maroon shade. I think that this will work pretty well to start this transition between these two shades, and then I'm going to go back in with Dakar and then try to fuse it even more. So I'm just using the small end of this Urban Decay Naked Cherry brush. And then with the other side of that brush where we use the yellow, we're blending out the Dakar. Before we do that, I'm going to quickly do my face. I'm going to do it off camera because it's going to be the same old stuff. I'm going to probably use the Juvias Place Concealer, then use my Covergirl foundation, probably a mix between these two right now, and then powder it up with the Hard Candy powder. I really tried to cover up this marker, but it's not going anywhere. So to finish off the eyes, I made the decision that I'm going to keep blending out the orange just a little bit more, just because the yellow isn't showing up exactly right. So just taking the blending brush I used and kind of like a mix of the yellow and the orange and blend those out just a little bit. I really don't think I need any eyeliner on, so I'm just going to be putting mascara on and some lashes. But right now for the under eye is when I'm trying to decide what I want to do. I could go crazy and put on green. Really crazy, really radical, or just keep it blue. Somewhat wearable. So I'm gonna get rid of the blue. We'll do yellow. Try the yellow with the orange, but first I'm gonna pack on the yellow. Trying to get max pigmentation. That, and then go over with an orange. At the inner corner, that was my favorite part, I'm going to use the loose highlighter from Juvia's Place, and this is the Royal one. I'm in love with this bronziness next to the blue. Pop on some Colourpop lashes. I don't know the name of them. That actually worked. Did not think that a hack was gonna work. So the lashes are on. Now use this. This is actually a lip pencil from NYX, but I don't use it. And last time I used it, I cut it off. I mean, I broke it off. Small brush. Just the end of this one with the orange eyeshadow. And dabbing it right on top. Love is love is love. Updating the pigment. So I'm going to quickly do my brows, and so to finish up the face, I'm going to bronze up. So I'm going to take the Lippie stick from Colourpop in the shade Chi Chi. I'm going to take a small amount of this. I'm going to put it right in the middle of my lip and then blend it out with my finger. My face with just a face mist. And that is the finished look. Alright guys, so that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I am in love with this makeup, and I feel like it feels so good to have makeup on my face right now, since it's been like over a week since I actually last put on makeup, which was the last video I posted. Every day you get to have orange lips and blue eyeshadow. I think this is the look though. I'm digging it. If I was to wear this like eyeshadow look out, I'd probably just tone down the lip a little bit and just do more of a nude. But overall, I love it. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!